You can open your mic sa if na may gusto ingon. So sa'yo na ba sa science or dili? Okay, sige, sa'yo na lang. So, so first, we're gonna start with number one. So, ang atong sciences can divide siya into different parts. So we have biology, and then chemistry, and then physics, and then earth science. So first, we're gonna talk about biology. So, I don't siya go through fast na to pag go through ano is everything. So first, we have the number one, organelle responsible for detoxifying harmful substances. So, unsa yung answer, ani guys? Can you just type your letters sa yung answer? So number one, kung sa'yo answer sa number one, B. Okay, B. Okay, nice, nice. How about the others? B. Okay, nice, go on. So yeah, actually, it's letter B. So for A guys, rough endoplasmic reticulum, usually ayan gina-synthesize kay protein. Si smooth dayon, muna siya ang lipids. Si Golgi apparatus or Golgi apparatus, kay muna siya ang ga-modify or ga-sort out between lipids and proteins. Then si lysosome dayon siya din tumurag dissolve in some way sa wastes sa cells. Siya. So number one is letter B. How do I can I highlight this? Uh, I don't know how to highlight. I don't know. Here we go. So next na yun, so number two, identify the organelle labeled as the control center of the cell which contains the genetic material. So walay lain answer ni guys kundi nucleus. Kay control center man. So if na nag-answer og mitochondria, so mitochondria is the powerhouse, dili siya ang control center. Then si nucleolus, na siya ano, part na siya sa nucleus. Next, number three, during which phase of the cell cycle is DNA replicated? Okay. What's the answer sa number three, guys? G1, S, G2, or M phase? So, any guesses for number three? DS. Nice, nice one, Miguel. So, number three. So, yeah, that's S phase. S, oh no, what happened? S phase stands for synthesis, or yeah, S phase, synthesis phase. So, ganun na, replication dra nga part. So, number four, in humans, brown eyes are dominant over blue eyes. So, blue eyes are recessive gene. So, small letter B siya. If two heterozygous individuals or hybrid individuals have a child, what is the probability that the child will have blue eyes? So, muna katong Punnett square. I don't know if you remember it, guys, katong B, 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 kay duha man siya ka, ano, hybrid parents. So, if dire kay B, B, dire kay B, B, then here is like that. So, number four, ito, question. What is the probability that the child will have blue eyes? So, kani siya, si dominant eyes, brown eyes. Kani his heterozygous gapon or hybrid, still brown eyes, still brown eyes. We only have 25%. So, 25% lang siya. So, for number five, what is the correct sequence of the central dogma of the molecular biology? So, sige, say answer niyo sa number five, guys. A, B, C, or D? Number five. Do you have any guesses? B. Okay. Okay. So, yeah, that's actually still correct. Or C. Okay. The answer uban kay C, B. So, ang ano guys, ang correct sequence gud sa dogma, gabi, or my religion, of molecular biology, we have here DNA first, and then RNA, and then protein. So, ayun na siya kalimti yun guys. Muna ang sequence good. So, DNA, from DNA, RNA to protein. So, dili na siya ma-change, ano. So, number six, which type of a muscular tissue is striated under involuntary control? Number six, do you have any guesses? C. Okay, nice. Nice one, Rhoda. Okay, and John and Clarice. So, under involuntary control. Nice, kay. Wala man siguro yung animal or living animal nga nag-control sa iyang heart ba. So, involuntary control. So, seven, what is the primary role of the stomata in plant leaves? Common kini siya nga common kini siya nga function makita sa grade school. So, ang number one role sa stomata is to facilitate gas exchange. By the way, guys, kasi makabalo asa dapit ang stomata. Man siya usually kakakita. So, stomata, usually, I don't know if nakakita, naka-use lang og microscope. So, if magtanaw mo sa leaves, kanang edge sa leaves, makita mo na stomata, makita yun na more siya og tubular holes or something nasa edge sa leaves. Muna siya ang facilitate sa gas exchange. Busta na ay mga, na yung maraming sila nga, dapat ang bad air or carbon dioxide ibutang sa plants, especially doon sa leaves. Kaya muna siya, but yeah. Number eight, in an energy pyramid, the producers have 10,000 joules of energy. How much energy is typically available to the secondary consumers? So, ano na siya guys, mag-glue siya og by, mag, ano siya, so if primary, if we have 10,000 here, 10,000, if mo niya ang primary, ang secondary dapat, kaya i-divide lang siya og 10. So, we'll have 1,000 joules. Ang third consumer na yun, i-divide na po siya another 10. So, we're left with 100 joules. Na siya. Sa energy pyramid, na siya murag i-divide lang siya og 10. So, how much energy is typically available in the secondary consumers? So, it's letter A. So, na may other answers for this. By the way, guys, if paspas ka kayo, pwede mo mag-ask niya, Kuya, can you expound ano nga number? Ano ba ito? So, number nine, which of the following is an example of vestigial structure in humans? So, vestigial structure in humans is example ana is an appendix. Number 10, which plant hormone is primarily responsible for fruit ripening? Tricky ni siyang ano guys. Kasi answer niya sa number 10. Auxin, gibberellin, ethylene, or cytokinin? C, ethylene. Nice, nice. So actually the answer here is ethylene. So I don't know about sa inyong ano guys, pero ang ang banana, kay during good sa mong when I was still a student sa pagka-chemical engineering sa una, kay naami experiment nga, among kwaon ang ethylene compound sa banana. Pag amo na yung pagkuha sa ethylene compound sa banana, amo rin siyang gi-use para bitaw, para magpa-ripe sa other fruits. So, siya. Ethylene na siya usually. So, they're not. Anyway, so sa 11, asa naman ito? So sa 11, if a DNA strand has the sequence 5 ATCGTA, what is the complementary DNA sequence? So ang answer ani is, di ba naman tayo ATC, adenosine, thymine, cytosine, o sa ting si G, kalimot ko. Basta, para siya si A o si T. So ang ano niya guys, ang yahang murag opposite anak kibali kay si A is to T and C is to G. So ang only answer for 11 is letter A. So number 11. Next, the process of crossing over occurs during which stage of meiosis? Say processes sa number 12 guys sa meiosis. So si answer is sa number 12. Crossing over. Number 12. So familiar pa mo sa meiosis? So meiosis is different from mitosis. So ang answer for number 12 is prophase. Mm-hmm. Then number 13, which enzyme is responsible for unwinding the DNA double helix during the replication. So for number 13, ang enzyme responsible for bitaw maano ang DNA, di ba DNA kay helix na siya, double helix. So ang only enzyme guys nga responsible para maano na siya, ma-unwind or mabitog matastas ang DNA kay helicase siya. Ano siya? Tricky siya nga name kay helicase unya yang unwind ang helix. So, yun siya. Ano siya sa name itself. So 14, so 14, what is the main function of the large intestine? So, dili siya digestion of proteins, dili po siya production of bile is liver. Absorption of nutrients is ano siya pag-ano? Um, 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 okay. Ang absorption of nutrients sa dayon, kina siya happen sa small intestine. So, nasa large intestine is absorption of water and electrolytes. So 15, an organism that can produce its own food using light or chemical energy is called a what? It's called an autotroph. So letter B. So 16, in the symbiotic relationship for one organism. Okay, na-explain niya itong last time guys sa first, no, third, was it third? No, second mock test. So, in a symbiotic relationship where one organism benefits and the other is neither helped nor harmed, it is called a what? So, what's the answer sa 16, guys? Well, uptick everyone. Nice. How about the others? Ano may other answers? So, manawag ba kung tao? So, so, yeah, commensalism. Mutualism if the benefit sila both, parasitism if may na harm, competition of silang duha ga compete. For 17, which blood vessel carries the oxygenated blood from the heart to the lungs? So ang 17 dayon kay the oxygenated blood from the heart to the lungs. So what's the answer sa 17 guys? From the heart to the lungs. The oxygenated. So it's pulmonary artery. Nice. Mhm. 18, so ito na siya i-fast guys, ito din sa solving a part. 18, what is the basic unit of classification in the Linnaean system? It's species. Domain ang highest, domain, then kingdom, katong ito doon ni Kuya Gab last time. 19, which of the following is a function of the lymphatic system? So for 19, it's letter C. Lymphatic, returning liquid fluids to the ano. So kani siya guys, dili lang ni siya ang only dili lang ni siya ang only function sa lymphatic system na returning liquid fluids to the bloodstream. Dagan po na siya other sa lymphatic system like mga lymph nodes bitaw nato. So ang transporting oxygen to cells kay sa ano na siya, ang blood na siya usually sa heart, sa cardiorespiratory system. C5 filtering pathogens from the blood. Paglahi po na siya, then producing digestive enzymes sa digestive system. Immune system is filtering pathogens from the blood. So yeah. For number 20, the theory that mitochondria and chloroplast were once free-living prokaryotes is known as what? So for number 20, it's endosymbiotic theory. So mag-nerd out na ko gamay guys. So before those emergence of living beings, or the first living beings are actually just grabe to mga single-celled organisms kaning may mitochondrial chloroplast na prokaryotes na daw siya nga naa sa Earth before, and then I don't know what happened siguro basin siguro sa nasa endosymbiotic theory nga murag kulang ang ilahang pag-live. So ang na-happen dayon murag ning sulod si chloroplast but or si mitochondria. Ay so no, ning sulod si mitochondria ka chloroplast. Then dadto din nagsugod ang first emergence of a cell. Kay si mitochondria na din ang produce sa food, si chloroplast din ang murag get og food para sa tricky siya nga ba. Nerd. Anyway, what is the oxidation state of sulfur in sulfuric acid? So, anyone na answer sa 21, do you know how to solve this? So, number 21, what is the oxidation state of sulfur? So, one siya, ano siya pag-solve? Oxidation state. So, in sulfuric acid, so si H is si H k plus 1. Si ano na yun? Si O or si oxygen is equals to negative 2. So, muna lang ang usual charge, guys. So, mapin din here, natay duha ka duha ka hydrogen, which is plus 2 plus 1. Ito na right here, conditionalism. So, na duha ka oxygen, dayon, di man ta sure ni sulfur pa, natay duha ka oxygen, so that's positive 2. Dayon, natay 4 ka oxygen. Sorry, pag-write ba yung actually? 2 times plus 1. Muna siya. Plus sulfur, which we don't know yet, plus 4 times negative 2. Muna siya ang oxidation, ano? So, ato din siyang i-write. Dapat siya, guys, ma-equal siya to into 0. So, dapat equal to siya equal na siya to 0 dapat. So, ato din siyang isolve. Ato siyang i-simplify. We have 2 plus S plus negative 8. That then 0. So, ato na siya i-transfer din tanan, ato i-transpose tanan, we'll have an answer of S is equals to positive 6. Yeah. So, ang answer sa number 21 is C. So, yeah. So, by the way, guys, during sa DOST exam, dagan kanya aning away sa stoichiometry sa chemistry. Muna ang bulk sa science nga part. Solving each nga part. So next, muna siya guys, oxidation state siya of sulfur. Kay mga na mag-ask mo, ano zero ni Kuya ang, ano, kay kag zero yung oxidation state. Kay di ba H2SO4 naman siya, wala siya gibutang H2SO4 plus or plus 2. So, muna yung ano, yung oxidation state is zero na siya. So, ato na pangitaon kung ano na zero siya. So, ato siyang i-balance within themselves. Next, which of the following elements is the highest first ionization energy? So, itong highest ionization energy kay ano, helium. So, ano helium kuya? So, ionization, sabi, let's just say mo ni ang periodic table. Okay. May periodic table din siya. So, ionization energy increases as it go up. Magkataas ang ionization energy and up to the right. Ano, padulong sa right. So, pangit siya din. Dapat ano siya. Dahil na lang, ano, ionization energy. Same na siya. I don't know. I think negative ilang ano sa ano. Ionization energy, ayang indirect na o yung opposite kasi electronegativity, pwede ko sure sila. Ito ay discuss ulit. So, muna siya, si helium. Kaya di ba, ang number one dili sa pikas kasi hydrogen. Sa pikas din kasi helium. So, number three, aluminum reacts, ano yung mag-solve ta ani. Aluminum reacts with copper chloride. So, 2L plus 3 copper chloride is equals to, or will yield to 2 moles of aluminum plus 2 moles of aluminum chloride. If you add 54 grams of aluminum with an atomic weight of 27 with excess copper chloride, what is the theoretical yield? So, ato siyang isolve in moles lang siya. So, 54, ayun, zoom. So, up, 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 up. Ah, so 24, so, 54. Okay. 54.0 grams over 27 gram per mole na ano siya. So if ato ni siyang ano, sa aluminum man ni siya, moles of aluminum. So we will get a yield of 2 moles. 2 moles na. Kay 54 man siya, namatay 54 grams diri sa, if you react 54 grams of aluminum, the atomic weight niya is 27. Busa 54 grams over 27 gram per mole. So natay 2 moles. Ngayon, ato ko ng reaction ratio. So for every 2 aluminum, ano na, for every 2 aluminum, need ka og 3 nga copper. So, ang reaction for every 2 moles of aluminum, kailangan to of 3 copper. So, 2 mole of aluminum produces 3 mole of copper. So, narapod na 2 moles of ano, 3 copper if ano siya, mansili. So, if ato na siyang ano, manantay 3 moles of 3 moles of 63.5, 3 moles of 63.5, 63.5. Kani siya, yung atomic weight sa copper will yield to 190, 190.5. Sakto ba? 63 times 3? Sakto siya. 190 grams. So, ang answer for this is 190 grams. So, 190.5 na. Next ba yun? A 500 ml sample of gas is at 1 atm and 1 atmosphere, munang standard, and 27 degrees Celsius. If the volume is decreased to 250 ml and the temperature is increased to 127 degrees Celsius, what is the new pressure? So, kanisya guys, mo di akong gi-explain before na PV and RT. So, ano nga formula? P, V, N, R, T. So, sa itong giingon nga, katulaging PV, PV, and RT. Okay, same naman ni siya, same man ni siya lang. Siya lang. So, may mo siya og P1, V1 over T1. Kaya ano siya, okay, T1 na siya guys, T2 dire 1, 1, 2, 2. So, kaya siya mag-transfer ni si 2 din. So, P1, V1 over T1 is P2, V2 over T2. Ato na nang ikuha ng mga values, ato lang i-substitute. So, ang P1 na to is 1 ATM, dahil atong P2, mo pa niya to ang missing. So, muna to ang missing na value. At wala yung V1 is 500 ml or 0.5 liters. Ato siya i-liters by the way guys, pag dili siya complicated. So 0.5 liters. Ato ang V2 is 250 or 0.25 liters. Ato ang T1 is 27 degrees Celsius man yun. So ato siya i-convert into Kelvin. So sa to ang Kelvin man. 27 plus 273. So that's technically just 300. 100 ba? 300. Na. Ato ding P2 is 127 plus 223. So, you follow ba guys? Nag-gets ba so far? Si number 24 or medyo libog siya? So, if atong yan na siya, kani ato na siyang i-manipulate. So, natay P1, ato na siya i-write. P1, V1, then kani si T2, diba, sila siya here, then T1, then si V2. Is equals to P2. Kaya mo na itong define. If ato din siyang isolve, natay P1 of 1 atm, ito ang V1 of 0.5 liters. Pwedeng T2, T2 is 273, 273 plus 127, that's 400 Kelvin. 400 Kelvin. Pwedeng T1 is 300 K, 27 plus 273. That's 300 K Kelvin. Pwedeng V2 is 0.25. 125. liters. So mag-cancel out si Kelvin here, cancel out si Kelvin here, cancel out si liter. Ato din na siyang isolve. So 1 times 0.5 times 400 over 300 times 0.25. So ato ang value ani is just equal to 2.67 ATM na. So ato ang answer for number 24 is 2.67. So who got the right answer guys? Pag-raise lang mo og hand. Kisay sakto og answer ani. Pag-raise og hand. Sige, how about the others? Sakto yung answer guys sa 24. Everyone. Okay, sakto ra gyud ko tanong. I believe in you guys. So number 25, how many molecules are present in 18 grams of water? So on 18 grams of water, so how many molecules? So actually, easy rin siya. Kaya, di ba, 18 grams of H2O is just equal to ano? So di ba, 18 grams naman ta, dili 18 grams of water. Ato din molar mass sa water is 18 grams per mole. So 18 grams naman siya. So technically, we only have 1 mole. Nga ang 1 mole is equal to how many molecules? Avogadro's number. It's technically just this. Letter B. So, sa yun na siya, di siya need og a lot of solving. Ato na siyang ano lang, ng Thomas. Thomas. Next, for 26, which type of bond involves the complete transfer of electrons from one atom to another? So, ionic. Transfer of electrons, ions. Okay, si ions naman technically ang transfer of electrons from one another. So, 26, letter C. 27, what? Okay, John Emmanuel Cantilla raised a hand. What's happening? Do you need a question? Do you have a question? Naka-question? Okay, maybe mistake. Number 27. What is the molarity of a solution prepared by dissolving 40 grams of sodium hydroxide in enough water to make 2 liters of solution? So ano ni siya gipangita ni kay molarity of a solution. So what we're gonna do, si ato siyang i-find ang pila ka moles. So 40 grams of NaOH, ang molar mass niya kay 40 grams. So it's technically just this. 40 grams over 40 grams per mole. It's just equal, cancel out si gram, just equal to 1 mole. That. And after 1 mole, in enough water to make 2 liters of solution. So 1 mole is equal over 2 liters. Okay, molarity man. Molarity is mole per liter. So 1 mole, 1 over 2 is technically just 0.5 m, big M. So 0.5 molarity. So usually guys, ang 0.5 molarity mo siya ano, concentration kibali sa isa ka isa ka solution, molarity, moles per liter. So yeah. Next, according to La Chatelois, so it's La Chatelois, di siya La Chatelier. La Chatelois principle. According to La Chatelois principle, what happens to the equilibrium of a reaction, nitrogen gas plus hydrogen gas will yield or equilibrium, basta kani siya nga ano, kani siya nga sign, equilibrium ng pasabot, or kabalik-balik siya, is equal to ammonium plus heat. If the temperature is increased, what will happen? So it actually shifts to the left. Na. So kani siya nga exact one guys kay exothermic siya kay di ba after nagkuan si ano nitrogen o si hydrogen after sila nag-combine ang yading result kay ammonium plus heat. So ang reaction niya kibali ga-produce siya og heat. So if ga-produce siya og heat, so meaning napagawa siya og heat, so exothermic siya, napagawa siya og heat. And adding heat is likely, so for example, if the temperature is increased, so if mag-increase og temperature, most likely nag-add ta sa product. So if nag-add ta sa product, need man ni siya mo balance out basta naa ni siya nga kani siya naa ni siya nga sign. Kay need na siya naa siya sa equilibrium siya. Equilibrium siya dapat. So if mag-add ta og heat diri after na siyang patasan, so kani siya murag more bitog ano, more bitog if na level ana siya if mag-increase sa diri mangitag way na mo na din siya para ma-level lang siya so mo shift ang iyahang reaction to the left para motubo sa din siya diri either nila pero dito sure asa pa so shifts to the left. So any questions clarifications okay pa ba everyone okay so 29 if a solution has a hydrogen ion concentration what is its pH so 29 paano siya guys lager na siya. So, negative log, adding mo 1.0 by 10 to the power of -4. So, wala tayo calculator, pero usually, ang answer lang ani is just equal to 4. Yeah. Kani, which of the following is an isotope of carbon-12? So, answer for number 30 is letter B, an atom. So, isotope, guys, kay same na gid yung number of protons, pero yung neutrons kay dili. So, depende na siya type of ano, depende na siya sa type of sa type of atom. So, for example, iodine. Ang normal nga iodine, kay, kana, for example, iodized salt niya na, like, healthy siya. Pero if ang isotope sa iodine, kay pwede siya makapakure for thyroid cancer. Na, another pod kay plutonium. Plutonium in itself is okay lang. Pero ang hading isotope, sa uranium or sa plutonium, ang iyahang isotope mo nang gina-use as bombs. So, yeah. If gusto mo mag-chemeng, kabalong mo, ala, do. Chemeng na lang mo. Next is 31. Ay, by the way, if may mag-ask, nga na lugar kuya, dili protons ang ma-change. So, dili din na ma-change ang number of protons sa isa ka element. Ang only ma-change na kay ang neutron lang yun. So, yan. Number 31, how many milliliters of 6 moles hydrochloric acid are needed to prepare 300 ml of ones? So, ito na siyang isolve. So, ato na siyang i-dilute or dilution formula. So, M1 V1 is equals to M2 V2 na. So, how many milliliters ang need na to is si V1. Ito ba V1? How many liters of V1? Kanya itong need. So, ito na siyang divide both sides by M1, M1. So, if natay ano, at wading M2, ani is prepare 1.0 M, then 0.3 or 300 ml. Ay, ml man siya. So, 300 ml over 6.0 M. Atong answer din ni, it will yield to 50 ml. Okay, 300 times 1, 300 divided 6, just 50. So answer for this is 50. Oh, 50 ml. Na. Next, the geometry of a CH methane molecule. So, paano siya? Okay. Si methane, kaya di ba methane na siya carbon, na 4 ka sa nga, okay, 4 man kabuk hydrogen. So technically, nakaano siya, ano siya, 4 electron space sa isa ka, ang pairs 4 electron spaced equally. So tetrahedral din siya. Okay, for example, commercial carbon, si hydrogen, hydrogen, hydrogen. So tetrahedral siya, kay upat man siya. So it's a linear na duha, trigonal planar for tulo lang. Next, 33, which of the following is a strong electrolyte? So, strong electrolytes dissociates completely in water. So, dahil na siya mahilig sa water. An example for this is sodium chloride. Oh, hindi siya mahal. Sodium chloride. Dili si glucose, kay even though maano siya, ma-dissolve pa siya sa water, masyada gid si sodium chloride. Munang nice salts if naman na mingon nga need kag electrolytes pagget ani nga water usually parat siya kay need ka og salt in the 34 so Another solving. In the reaction, CH4 methane plus oxygen equals to carbon dioxide plus water. How many grams of O2 are required to completely react with 1 mole of CH4? So natin 1 mole of CH reacts with 2 moles of oxygen. So are required to complete. So if ato din siyang i-calculate, say, naman tayo 0.32 ano no? 0.32. So if ato siyang i-solve lang, i-calculate siya 2, ay, 2 times 34, ay, 34, 32. Oxygen is 16, 16 times 2, 30, 16, 16, 32, 32 lagi. So, natay 64 grams. Na, na, 35, okay. Na questions, anyone? Na may questions, clarifications, or okay na so far? Okay pa? Ako na speedrun. By the way, guys, if na lang may wala na sabtan since online mo siya nga session, if na may wala na sabtan nga number, i-take note na ninyo that ato na siya i-discuss siguro pagka next week ka na, maka face-to-face na ka. Or maklaro bitaw, maklaro o ano, discuss. Yeah. Next, 35, which subatomic particle were discovered by J.J. Thomson? So, C, electron. Electron is siya. The process of a gas changing directly into solid is called sublimation. Ay, gas directly to solid. It's deposition. Next, which of the following elements is metalloid? 37. So, metalloid here is not a metal, but almost close to metal. So, it's just silicon. This is sulfur. Sulfur is a non-metal. Helium is a gas. So, iron is a metal. Silicon naman. So, silicon is the closest. So, number 38. A sample of gas occupies 2 liters at 300 K. What will its volume at 600 K if the pressure is at constant? So, constant pressure. So, ang only ano here, ang only variables here are volume and temperature. So, V and T. So, it's technically just Charles' law. So, sige. So, if we do this, we have the PV and RT. So, I'll just write here. P1, V1, and RT1 over E2, B2 was to N R T2. Cancel out si N, cancel out N, R and R. Constant pressure, pressure is constant, so cancel out P1 and P1. So we have V1 over V2 is equals to T1 over T2. And then what we're looking for is what will it be volume. So it's V2. So we need to isolate this one. So it's technically just V1, just cross multiply V1 times T2 is equals to V2 times T1. Since we need this, divide both sides by T1. Divide both sides by T1 and we have V2. So V1 is V1 is 2 liters, 2 liters at 300 and T2 is 600 K and T1 is 600 K. Oh no, it's 300 K. Am I right? 300 K. T1 is 300. It's not 600. So it's 300K. Cancel 600 times 2, 3, 2 times 2. That's 4. So our final answer here is 4. Now here for number 39. What is the conjugate base of H2O in the reaction H2HCl plus H ozone plus Cl? So wala siya gipakita here, pero ang answer na is ang conjugate base is OH. Basta usually mag-add ka og H plus or H2O, makonsider na siya as ang acid ng reaction. Mag-add na lang tag OH or hydroxide para ma-balance out. So yung conjugate base is OH, even though wala siya sa reaction. Next, which of the following is a physical property of matter? So 40, anything that has density is a matter. Like water, air, o sa ba? Next, physics. Physics ata. So by the way guys, ang ato na i-discuss na ito karon kay ang science lang, kay nice to ang mechanical if naagita sa actual example para mapakita bitaw ang ano kay mechanical technical mo gud siya so nice to siya if face to face nga pa explain. Pero it's okay, hatagan magyapon mo answer key even if nanay may answers sa previous na test. So for number 41, a car starts from rest and accelerates uniformly at 2 meters for 10 seconds. So natay formula. Ang formula ani guys, by the way, is just D is equals to V initial velocity times time plus 1/2 acceleration then T squared na. So, memorize na siya nga formula. O D ni siya, D. That. So, a car starts from rest. So, ato ang V1 is 0. Kay rest man. 10 seconds na ni siya. Pero 0 times 10 is 0. So, cancel out na ni siya. So, we have 1/2 acceleration squared. So, our acceleration here is, same copy. 1/2 acceleration is 2.0 meter per second squared. Our time is 10 squared. Na. So, ato ni siyang i-simplify our distance would then equal be to 100 meter. Kay 2 magkansuot ni siya sa each other with just 10 squared. So 10, 100. Next, 5 kilogram block is on a 30 degrees incline. If the coefficient of kinetic friction is 0.1, what is the force of friction acting against the block? So ako na siya gibutang down there ang cosine 30 is equals to 0.866. So, what's happening here? So, natay formula nga force with regards to friction. So, di ba, force with regards to, di ba ang force na to, kaya naman guys, mg cosine theta na. Depende siya if ano po siya, sa, if x-axis, if y-axis po siya nga force, di ba, mg sine theta, ano na siya. For doing a case, natay friction factor, kinetic friction of 0.1 na. So, multiply natin siya 0.1 ang answer. Ato ding mg, ani kaya, ito ang m is, oh, wait. So, ito ding sa number 42, natay 5, kani, atong mass is 5, atong acceleration due to gravity is 9.8, then times cosine of 30, which is 0.866 na. Ato na siyang isolve, we'll get an answer. Ang after na siya isolve, ang heading answer, ato yung multiply of 0.1 na. Kasi bana na siya. Ang closest ninyo guys, for example, 9.8, like maglisod na mo og calculate like mentally kay usa man pag calculate mentally nga wala may calculator, di ba? So you do instead of 9.8, just think of it as 10. So 10 times 5, that's 50. 50 times 0.866. Inyo din answer ana, inyo din siyang i-multiply by 0.1 and that would be around 0.20 or 4.20. So or ang closest answer dayon na here is 4.24. This one. Next. So next dayon kay 43. Sorry. So which of the following is a scalar quantity? So vector, so na duha ka quantities guys. There's vector and scalar. Vector has mag ang scalar kay magnitude lang, si vector quantity kana siya magnitude at the same time direction. So sa example here, si velocity na siya on siya vector. Displacement is still vector, acceleration is still vector, and speed dayon ang scalar. Ano? So vector usually guys, mura ni ang mga pwede man negative, ano bitaw? In some way that matter sa asa nga direction ang heading value. So next, 44. Dali na si 44. The 60-watt light bulb is left on for 2 hours. How much energy in joules is consumed? So it's technically just power times time. So that's 60 times 2 hours. Pero dili siya pwede nga 2 hours guys it needs to be in seconds. So to So to convert hours to seconds, it's just 2 hours. 2 hours is 60 minutes. 1 hour is equals to 60 minutes. Ito na namin. 1 hour is 60 minutes. Then 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. Ito na siya it will be around 60. So around 3,600 seconds. Wait, 60. Oh, 3,600. After that, 60 times 3,600 will yield to 432. 0036. Sakto lagi. 432,000 joules. Na ba? Answer? Letter D. Na. So yeah. So number 45, an object is launched horizontally from a cliff 20-meter high with a velocity of 10 meters per second. How far from the base of the cliff does it land? So, natay formula nga yan eh. T. So, remember Konami sa senior high before guys, XC, namin ni ani nga experiment sa mga laboratory. So, I don't know if basin nakalimot guro mo, pero kani siya nga formula. So, H is height, 2 is then gram, then G is gravity. So, height na to is 20 here, then so after nanatay 2 times 10, that's in 20 k height mo 20 times 2 is 40, 40 over 9.8, or just like I told you, 10 na itong gamiton. So, more siya 40 over 10. Okay. Isod sa mag-use patag 9.8, that would taas na kana siya. So, mental solving mag-point. So, around lang siya sa nearest of 10 lang. So, that's square root of 4. So, after square root of 4, muna to ang time. So, muna tong time na diba natay 2 seconds. 2 seconds. But we're not yet done. So after explain pa ito ang distance. According distance na formula is just equal to V times T. Ito ang V gali is 10. So 10 meters per second times time, which is 2 seconds, is equal to 20 meters. So answer for this is letter B. Number 46. What happens to the gravitational force between two objects if the distance between them is doubled? So, ano siya? I think reduced to 1/4. Okay, okay nana siya gravity inverse square law. So, natay force is inversely proportional to the distance squared. So, if distance doubles, force becomes 1/4. So, if mo-double ni siya, kani siya mo 1/4 ni siya dahil magkagamay siya. So, yeah. Anyway, 47. Speedrun yun ba? Grabe. So, ito may questions, guys. Ay mo hesitate pag-asa. Basin yung na ba nga gilama-lama. Ano si Kuya nga. For next, 47. Parallel resistor. So, two 6 ohms, nitawagan niya. 6 ohms resistors are connected in parallel, and this combination is connected in a series with a 3 ohms resistor. What is the total resistance of the circuit? So, kadumdum mo itong explain ni Kuya Gab before. So, 6 parallel resistors man siya. So, a parallel resistor, so, ato, duha man siya, 2 ohms parallel. So, yung combined na resistor is just equal to 3 ohms. Kung explain ni Kuya Gab last time. Then, ang series na yun, kung sa, for example, if mo ni si parallel, na, na siya, Then, na resistor 1, resistor 2, resistor 3. If na resistor 6 dire, resistor dire kay 6 pod, nag-abot nga dire guys kay 3 ohms na niyang kibali combined power output 3 ohms. Then kung parallel pero kung series lang i-add na mo siya. So if i-add mo siya kay Di ba kadumdum mo ifang parallel kay R1 plus R2 over number of resistors mo ng 3 ra kay duha man kay 6 plus 6 ano. Dayon ang next dayon kay C R3 plus lang. So 3 plus 3 is technically just 3 ohms. Na. Go. Number 48. Tasan eh. Sound wave has a frequency of 500 hertz and a wavelength of 0.7 meter. What is the speed of sound? Sound wave. So for number 48, we have the speed of sound wave man. So kani. So natay F. Then, ito ang lambda. Na. So I know familiar mo ani. So ito ading ano ani speed. Okay, lambda mo na siya ang ano, once a wavelength. Kaning F mo na ang frequency ha guys, frequency. So pwede na siya, if ato na siyang i-switch mo, siya F is equals to lambda over D na. Bro, look, how do I, na. So after that, this, so ito ang frequency is 500 hertz. Then ito ang lambda, wavelength, distance sa wavelength or measure length sa wavelength is 0.7. So 500 times 0.7 is just equal to 350 meter per second. Oh, wow. So meter per second. Nara, so letter A. 49, which law states that the current through a conductor between 2 points is directly proportional to the voltage across the 2 points. So 49 is Ohm's law, not Newton. No, not Newton's, not Faraday's, or Ohm's law. Next, a 2 kilogram object moving at 4 meter collides with and sticks to a 2 kilogram object at first, which is the final velocity of the combined mass. So can you see number 50? Law of conservation of momentum. So I don't know if kadungdum mo sa formula ani, it's M1 times V1 is equals to M1 plus M2 dayon V. Actually, ang original gina formula guys, kaya naman, kani siya dapat ang original formula. Wait lang. So, balik eh. So, erase pa eh. Ang original formula is M1 V1 is equals to M2 V2. Anak. Pero in this case, kaya two object moving at 4 meter per second collide. So, ang first niya, ning bangga siya, ang second niya na state, okay, ning pilit siya. So, technically, ma-transform niya siya to M1, M, ah, M1 times V1 equals to M1 plus M2. Okay, M1 plus M2 na siya, kaya ang duha ka object, nagpilit naman sila, kaya nag-uban naman sila, and sticks to a 2 kilogram object. So, 2 kilogram pagbangga niya, so 4 kilogram na siya. Then, ano sa final velocity? Or V2 lang siya. Ato na siya i-solve, M1 is 2 kilogram, V1 is 4, M1 plus M2 is just 4K, 2 kilogram plus 2 kilogram, just 4. Itong V2 na yun kay, di pa sure. So after na 2 times 4, it's 8. 8 divide 4, ay, V2. 4 ni siya, 8 divide 4, so is equal to 2. So ang final answer ani is 2 meter per second. It's letter B. Now, 51, the phenomenon where light bounces off a surface is called, kani, simple again siya na question diyan. So sa answer niya sa 51, the phenomenon where light bounces off a surface. So for number 51, it's called reflection. So yeah, 52, hapit na moment. Sa crane lifts 500, 100 kilogram crate to a height of 5 meters in 10 seconds. So this is just power. So, sige ang formula sa power. Power. Or in joules. Oh no, well, ano lang. So power, so ito ang formula sa power is just work over time. Yeah, work over time. So work is mgh over time or seconds na siya. So ito ang mass is 100 kilogram. Ito ang grabe, acceleration due to gravity kay 10 na lang. Ito din okay, 5, so 100 times 5 over time, which is 10. So our final answer would be 490. Actually, ang closest niya kay 500 if ato siya. So 100 times 10 times 5 over 10, it's 500. Pero if ato siyang exact na 9.8, ang answer na yun niya is, ano eh. If ato siya isolve, gani guys, na ato siyang gi-round kay 500. So close it 490. Ano siya? 53. An image formed by the plane mirror is virtual and upright. Virtual and upright. Kani, what is the frequency of a light wave with a wavelength of 6 by 10 raised to the power of 7 meter speed of light. So, formula ni katulad atong gibuhat before atong aman to sa number 48 na kani V is equals to frequency over lambda. So, ang original formula ato di ba ano man to atong gi-use kay V is equals to frequency over lambda. Ang original formula gid niya kay F is equals to ay, F F V over lambda. Ana. So in this case, ang V kay ang speed of light. So instead of V, mo siya C. So mo siya C over lambda. So ato siyang isolve, mo siya og ano, 3 by 10 raised to the power of 8 over 6 by 10 raised to the power of negative 7. So ato na siyang isolve. So 8 o negative 7. Atong answer ana is around 5 kani 5 by 10 raised to the power of 14. Kani 55. Type siya. 55. What is the following materials the best thermal insulator? So, thermal insulator. So, dili siya malatayan. Dili siya malatayan og init diretso. So, it's wood. Kaya di ba if natin copper, if mabutang kag copper sa duol sa kala or duol sa init ng object, mainit po ang copper. Same with aluminum, same with iron. Pero ang wood, imong ibutang sa sa something nga init, dili siya mukatay ang init, pero masunog ang kahoy. Pero best thermal insulator siya. 56. According to the Archimedes principle, the buoyant force of an object is equal to letter C, the weight of the fluid displaced. Sa Archimedes principle na siya, guys. 57. If a 12-volt battery is connected to a 4-ohm resistor, how much current flows through? Kini siya nga formula. Familiar mo ni V is equals to IR. V voltage, I is current, R is resistor. In this case, pangita to kay I, so it's just equal to I equals to VR, where volts is 12, resistor is 4. So our current is 3. Kana, basa ka na siya. 58, what type of lens is used to correct nearsightedness or myopia? So, it's, ang dapat answer is concave lens. Next, 59, the total mechanical energy of a system is the sum of its potential and kinetic energy, letter B. 60, which of Newton's laws best explains why a passenger draws forward? Kani, law of inertia. Earth side, hapit na gumaman, guys. Which layer of the Earth is responsible for generating the planet's magnetic field? It's actually outer core, not inner ha, not mantle, not crust. So ngano si outer core, kay di ba si outer core made of iron and nickel. So di ba if ang iron magtuyok siya, kaya naman siya sa mantle and liquid man siya, magtuyok siya ang yahang
Kung sa iron ang yaha bitang tungod kaduyok siya mag-create or magnetic field around the Earth. So next, the scale used to measure the energy released by an earthquake is called Richter scale. 63, which type of cloud is used in thunderstorms? Ikikita mo sa salida na up, it's cumulonimbus. 64, the boundary where two tectonic plates, halap na ko ba yun? The boundary where two tectonic plates move away from each other is called a, it's called a divergent. Kaya diverge siya from each other, divergent. Yeah. Which of the following is a greenhouse gas? Greenhouse gas, methane. Not oxygen, not nitrogen, and definitely not argon. 66, the point in the moon's orbit where it is closest to the Earth. Kanika, it's more like a trivia. It's called perigee. The point in the moon's orbit where it is closest to the Earth. It's called perigee. 67, which rock type is formed from the accumulation of organic remains or mineral particles? It's called sedimentary. Igneous if gikan sa volcano, metamorphic if tungod siya sa pressure and everything sa Earth. 68, the Big Bang Theory refers to the origin of the universe. 30. What is the most common ano ako na siya, ano? Ang answer ano is nitrogen. In which of the layer of the atmosphere does weather occur? So for number 70, namatay layers of Earth, guys. So for example, I don't know if familiar mo siya, say mo ni si Earth. Ayaw, mo ni si Earth. Now, Earth. First layer, na, so lang. Basta ang pinaka-last net layer kay si thermosphere. Next na yun kay si mesosphere. After sa meso kay nananantay troposphere. Troposphere. Na, sa man siya Earth. So usually ang weather go-occur siya sa troposphere nga part. Letter B. 71, an igneous rock that cools slowly beneath the Earth's surface and has large crystals is called intrusive. Igneous rock. So, ano siya? Types of igneous rock. There could be extrusive, intrusive, volcanic, or pyroclastic. Pyroclastic man na siya usually gawa sa volcano, panangumo kayo. Volcanic, like obsidian and many more. Intrusive, examples, intrusive, extrusive. For sure. 72, what causes the deflection of winds and ocean currents due to Earth's rotation? For 72, it's called Coriolis effect. Deflection of winds and ocean currents due to Earth's rotation. So kaning Coriolis effect, especially if ano, gatanaw bitaw mo mga Voyager na seas, makaingon na sila nga kay tungod kay tungod east na padulong ang voyage na wind na niani. So ano na siya? Coriolis effect. Ano to si tawagan na sa una? Kalimut ko. So Coriolis effect. 73. Which planet has the shortest revolution period on the sun? It's obviously Mercury. Kaya doon naman siya. 74. The process by which plants release water vapor in the atmosphere. 74 is transpiration. Evaporation kay magkuan sa ground. Sublimation from solid to gas. Precipitation kay baliktad gikan siya sa earth padira na gikan siya sa sky padulong sa ubos. Next, 75, which star is the closest to Earth after the sun? It's called Proxima Centauri. So name palandaan Proxima Centauri kay duol ra kay siya sa proximity sa tuwang sun. That's why it's called Proxima Centauri also. 76, what is the primary mineral component of limestone? So it's called calcium carbonate sa limestone. Limestone is the best example sa sedimentary rocks na usually makita na siya sa lakes, rivers, and many more. Next, 77, happy to man guys. The lunar eclipse occurs when the Earth is between the Sun and the Moon. Kaya kaninga part, dili makita si Moon, mura na siya ginakaon sa ano. I don't know if, kasi kadulag yan siya din eh. Outer West. Anyway, which Oh, number 78, which ocean current is known for bringing warm water from the Gulf of Mexico to the North Atlantic? So it's called the Gulf Stream. Yeah. Gulf of Mexico to the North Atlantic. So from the name itself, nagikan siya sa Gulf of Mexico, Gulf. So Gulf Stream siya. 78, the area around the Pacific Ocean where most of the world's active panigid siya, Ring of Fire. Kani siya technically busa active kitong earthquakes lately sa Philippines o sa Japan. Kinagita sa Pacific Ring of Fire. And last number, what is the term for the percentage of solar radiation reflected back into space by a surface? It's called albedo. So yeah, that's it. So do you have any questions, guys? Clarifications? Ugh, it was a lot. So do you have any questions, guys? Clarifications on topic or anything else? Wala na? Okay na. So I think that's it. So for the mechanical or technical, I think we'll just discuss that next Saturday uban sa after sa intensive review. Kay para na lang pod mausa ang ano. But we'll still pag-ask na gyapon mo namo ni Ate Maha or ni Ate Ika for the answer key or the rest of the answer key if you want to sa mechanical. So I think that's it. Do you have any questions, anyone? Final warning? Wala. So I think that's it for today. So thank you guys. So
Can I
does
add
Maha
to
have
it?
something to say?